Good morning, 8B class maths chapter number 4 we will start, but before that this method one more time I want to repeat, one more time I want to revise, so you will get the perfect idea. Numbers I have given, two table also I have given. Now these two table you have to remember. This is the table for total value. From that you have to derive this 0 to 9 symbol. And from the last, from your last number, from your last number, you have to select only for 2 it is 8, for 8 it is 2, for 7 it is 3, for 3 it is 2. Now okay, so this is 1000, 8000, 26,000, 1 lakh 25, 2 lakh 16, 3 lakh 24, 10 lakh. So this is 5 lakh 51, 2 lakh 57. Okay, now 5 lakh 51,000. 5 lakh 51,000 is not here. 5 lakh 50,000 is there. So it is 8. 1 lakh 57,000. 1 lakh 57,000 is under this. 97,000. It is under this. 21,000. It is under this. 68,000. It is under, not under this, under this. Five zero. 50,000 is under this. Now 2,74,000. 2,74,000 not here, here. 3,89,000. 3,89 not here, here. 7,53,000. 753 it will be not here, it will be here. Now we will see the last number. Last number is 8. For 8 you have to write 2. Last number is 4. For 4 you have to write the same number. For 6 same number. For 2 you will write 8. For 9 you will write 9. This we will do later. Something wrong. For 3 you have to write 7. For 5 you have to write 5. For 7 you have to write 3. For 1 you will write 1. It is 6,800 and it is less than this. For 9 it is 9. So these are the answers. For this, these are the cube root. Now how to write in exam? For example, I am showing this number. Find cube root of 21952. So cube root 21952 we know by calculation 28, 28, 28. So it is cube root of cube cancel. So it is 28 answer. if you don't write this, if you don't want to write this symbol, you can write cube root of. So this is a revision of our previous topic, how to find cube root. Again you can take a screenshot, because from that you have to write. You have to be ready with your notebook, workbook till Saturday. Most probably Saturday I will come to the school and I will call you number wise in a slot 20-20 student for the signature that you are working or not, because at the end when we will demand, no, nothing will be there in your notebook. So regularly, weekly checking will be there. So be ready with your all notebooks, all your workbooks. Internal marks are now it is clear, frequency is full. Wait. Because of this raining season, it is not stable. Now, voice and screen clear now. Okay, take the screenshot. I'll remove this. What is problem? Now everything is okay from this. Wait. Now check. Okay. Okay, now here frequency is quite good. Now see, okay, now new topic from algebra to geometry. Host, I want attendance in boys and girls separate number. Have I asked? Don't say. Altitude means what? What is the definition of altitude? How many altitude you can draw, and don't speak anything I said. In a triangle, from any vertices, to draw a perpendicular line on opposite side from this vertices, opposite side perpendicularities, altitude. Red mark is altitude. From here, it is altitude. from here it is altitude. So first of all, definition of altitude. What is altitude? A segment joining or a segment pass from the vertices of a triangle and it is perpendicular to the opposite side. It is altitude. If we will draw three altitude from A, from B, from C, all three will pass from a single point. When two lines always pass through one point, but more than two line if pass from a single point, then three lines are said to be concurrent, and the point is concurrent point. CP means concurrent point, CL means concurrent line. Two lines are always pass through one point. There is nothing new. But three I will draw and it will make triangle. So these are not concurrent. If two lines are there and three also will be passing from the intersection, then are concurrent line, and this point, common point, is concurrent point. Two lines always pass from one point, but if third line we will draw and it will make a triangle, so these are not concurrent point, concurrent line. But if third line is also passing from that common point, then it is said to be concurrent point, concurrent line. The common point is concurrent point and all lines are concurrent. Wait. From my side it is okay because frequency is also high. In this lecture only it happens, otherwise just now I have taken 10 standard. Now see, two lines always pass from one point, that is a common thing. But if third line we draw and if it is not passed through that common point, these three lines are not concurrent line and no common concurrent point. If three lines are passing from one point, more than two lines is passing from one point, this is known as concurrent line and the point is said to be concurrent point. Now again for this altitude, what is altitude of a triangle? Vertices, from the vertices draw a perpendicular line to the opposite side, it is perpendicular. From this point also you can draw perpendicular. From this point also you can draw the. Better check your network because from here no it is clear. Wait for 10 seconds, it will be balanced, it will be stable. Wait. So okay, that I am showing by this paper cutting. in previous chapter we have used this triangle. So on any side you have to arrange this, and you have to pass from this point particular perpendicular you have to draw. Now from this line, wait, 90 degree. Wait, again I am explaining again. Arey, your network problem, bacha. From here it is clear. Don't say now again and again. What I can do, say from here if it is okay. What I can do? Okay. One triangle is there, and in your compass box there is a triangle. So this triangle you incline on a single line. It's slightly bigger I have gone, but totally not joint. Okay. So this again please the so this 90 degree I'll set here on the line to line. Then I will move this side and this side by moving. If see the point, this point will touch. Now there I will draw the line. So this is perpendicular. Correct. Now see, yes. See, this is, listen again. This is a horizontal line on this. Just shift. See the point, it should be here. By shifting here. Now from this. Now from this shift like this. So all three lines will pass from single point. So that point is known as concurrent point. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. So from the vertices, to draw a perpendicular line on an opposite side, that is altitude of the triangle. How many altitude you can draw? Because 3 vertices, 3 opposite side, you can draw 3. Not more than that. And all 3 will pass from single point. If all 3 are not passing through a common point, single point, one point, your diagram is wrong. Next, Riyan, why you are making your video again and again on? Then median. Median. This is A, this is B, this is C. Suppose this is 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter. This definition is what? A point. From that we are drawing perpendicular on opposite side. Now segment joining vertices in a midpoint of opposite side, not perpendicular. Instead of perpendicular, you have to use the word midpoint. From a point, midpoint of opposite side, a segment joining vertices in a midpoint of opposite side, that is a median. So this is 8 centimeters, so I will take 4 centimeter point. So these two are equal, 4 4. It is 10 centimeters, so I will take 5 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter, half. Six centimeter. Now, to join a vertices and a midpoint of opposite side. So this is G. This always we denote by G. This always we denote by O. This is orthocenter. This is a gravitational point, means G. Now you have to measure long side, GA, GB, GC. Then you have to measure smaller side. This is P, Q, R, GP, GQ, GR. You have to measure this big. From this is a big part, small part, big part, small part, big part, small part. All three big part means this line divided into two part. 1, 2, big part, small part. So big part and small part. For example, by measurement you will by scale, if you will measure, you will get this. For example, 5 centimeter. This you will get 2.5 centimeter. Exactly how? Suppose this here measure, it is 7 centimeter. This you will get 3.5 centimeter. Exactly half. Now this and this is 6 centimeter. This 6 to this 7, 3. So the ratio GAGP, GBGQ, GCGR 2:1, 2:1, 2:1. Of this double, of this double, of this double, or of this half, of this half, of this half. So it is 2:1. So this is the property of median, that when you will draw this median, you will get two part, and bigger part is double of smaller part, or smaller part is double of bigger part. Again I am explaining. This is altitude, this is median. So take any this. Now this is A, this is B, this is C. Now measure this. I will measure that in inch. It is 9, for example. 8.5. This is 30. So 9, so I'll take half. 4.5, 4.5. This is 13, so I will take 6.5. This is 8.5, so 4.25. Okay. With the scale, whatever the measurement, take a midpoint. If it is 8, so 4, 4. If it is 9, 4.5, 4.5. 10, so 5, 5. Now join this. One, two, and 3. So it should pass to this point. Now this is G. This is opposite to A, P. Opposite to A it is P. Opposite to B it is Q. C to R. Now I will measure GA, GB, GC, GP, GQ, GR. This and this, first part, second part. So it is 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter from B. Seven, 3.5 centimeter. Now this. Six and 3. Draw any triangle. Step number 1. Draw any triangle. Take midpoint, join this. Of this take midpoint, join this. Of take this midpoint, join this. Follow? Then from A find this much. Then find this much. From B find this much right here. Find this much by scale this. Then from CG GQ find this. If it is exactly half or if it is exactly double, then your diagram, then your measurement, your numbers are correct, otherwise wrong. And at the end you have to write GAGP 2.1, GBGC suppose they will write ulta, they will ask ulta. Small and big, GQ, GB, so 1:2. Big and small, 2:1, 2:1. Small and big, 1:2. So all this I will write very heavy rain, so I think now because of very heavy rain, no one signals. Atharva, wait. वेट बेटा, इतनी बारिश में यही हाल हो रहा है। Okay, now it is okay. Okay, but I am explaining, you just listen. My voice is clear, no? So first you have to draw the triangle. Measure full length AB. Take a midpoint. Measure full BC, then take a midpoint. Measure this full, then take a midpoint. Join this, join this, join this. All of a sudden 20 students reduce. Okay, now join opposite, opposite and opposite points. Now again internal there are two parts. See this. So measure big part, small part, big part, small part. From A, now from B, measure big part, measure small part, big, small. From C, first from A, then from B, from C. First part, second part, written, written. Now see the question. It is from small is to big, then 1 is to 2. Big is to 1, I have written big is to 1, so 2 is to 1. Now here GQ, BC, GQ and BC, so small and big, so write 1 is to 2. Big and small, so write small is to big, always write to 1 is to 2, sorry. And big is to small. Follow? So like that, median and in altitude you have to draw, then measure, then you have to write the numbers. Then how to draw median? If you don't want to take the midpoint, by arc you can draw this. First draw big circle, अरे triangle sorry. Now take a arc, big arc, more than half of the base. Now from here take one arc up, one arc down. From this 1, 2, 1, 2. From here 1, 2. Put a scale on both this and this and just cut this. So this is your midpoint. Om, what happened to you? Who is calling to Om? Okay, now I have done from base BC. Now do from A and B. From A, big arc. From A 1, 2. From B 1, 2. Again try to touch this 2 point and cut this. So this is the midpoint. From A, P is a midpoint. From this on with this C, it is R. And for B, we want R. From A and B, from C I'll cut here, I'll cut here. 1, 2. From E, 1, 2, like that. So try to connect this and draw this much only. So this is Q. Opposite to A, P. Opposite to Q. Opposite to B, Q. Opposite to C, R. A to P, B to Q, C to R. Now try to join this midpoint. Now this is G. I will measure small on these small first, GP, then GA. On B, GQ, GB. On these, GR, GC. Now measure. So GP I will measure. It is 4. Direct write down 8. If you will measure and write something else, if it is not double, 0 mark. Then GQ. GP it was, no, sorry. It is 4. Now it is 3. So it is 6 centimeter. GR, it is 5. Now they will ask GP, GR, GQ, GB. This is A, B, C, P, Q, R. So it is small to big, no? So 1 to 2, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2. If they will ask ulta, GA, GB, GC, GP, GQ, GR. So from smaller to bigger, 1 is to 2. From bigger to smaller, 2 is to 1. Anything they can ask. So try with the geometrical instrument. If you are not following, first of all take the screenshot so you can at least know, no need to rewind this full on video again and again. Whose video is on? Nidhi. Thank you. Acha, tell me the attendance, boys and girls, separate. And take the screenshot. And this time now, because of very heavy rain, this it is fluctual. So I will try my best to give you the best.